How to redeem points in everyday rewards. So here's how you redeem your points in your everyday reward points from the Woolworths Everyday Rewards Program Australia. So first of all, choose how you want to redeem them. So once you've earned 2000 everyday reward points, you can redeem them in a few ways. So for that, $10 is off your next shop at Woolworth or something like that. So convert to Qantas points and other options via everyday reward shops. So redeeming $10 off a shop. So go to shopping at Woolworths, Big W, BWS, My Deal, or Petstock. At checkout, scan your everyday rewards card or enter it in the app. So if you have 2000 plus points in the app, it should offer $10 off reward. So choose to use it now or keep it for later. So another option is redeeming as Qantas points. So link your everyday rewards account with your Qantas frequent flyer account in everyday reward settings. So once linked, when you hit 2000 points, the system can automatically convert them into 1000 Qantas points. So you can usually transfer those points within 24 hours after you choose that redemption option. So another is redeeming via the Everyday Reward sub. So open the Everyday Reward app or go to everyday.com.au, find the rewards or sub section, use your points to purchase item or digital gift card. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.